There was an accident.
Did you do it?
Yes.
It wasn't her fault. Why didn't you tell me?
I did not think the information would assist you.
That's not your decision to make. God, I can't believe how long I bought this. I really thought you were my family.
You did?
It's so obvious. I feel so stupid.
I miscalculated. I should have considered your emotional wavelength.
You think? So was it just guilt? Is that why you did this?
I needed a task.
Well, I'm glad I could give you one.
The events that led to this situation were unintended.
Tell that to my sisters, my brothers, my real mom. They were my chance to be normal. They were my chance to swim, to fly. What even am I?
You swam satisfactorily today, and if you keep practicing...
I still won't belong.
I understand.
You don't understand anything. You don't feel anything.